What's up, guys? We're in the shop again. Got the Ranger XP 900 back in here, and we are going to do a 4-inch bracket lift on the Ranger. We got a what brand was this?
It's made by Reaves Powersports.
Reaves Powersports.
They're in Georgia.
They're out of Georgia. 4-inch bracket lift.
I got it within a couple of days of ordering.
4. It's a little more than 4.
Boom.
4.
We're going to do an install. I'm sure it's just like any other old bracket lift.
30s and arch day arms already on it.
Yeah. Rhino axles up front.
It had 15 inches of ground clearance now. So we'll see.
15 now, and we're going to install the bracket lift, see what kind of angle that puts we know it's going to put a pretty extreme angle on our axles, but hey, we all run that risk when we put lifts on without portals and such.
YOLO.
But yep, that's right. So here we are, boys. Let's get her jacked up, get the tires off. We'll start on the rear
first, huh?
Yeah, we'll start on the rear, I reckon, since Lauren's done started.
We're going in front?
No, I was just messing with you. Check out all these new tools.
Oh, dang.
I don't know where nothing is now.
Yeah, we finally got our shop a little more organized. We're used to having to scramble around trying to find stuff. Got the power of the D-wall.
These are lug nuts.
Yeah.
Right here. If you zoom in.
What do those do?
These are sockets right here.
Sockets.
Yeah, and they got different size ones. This one is actually a 19 millimeter.
What?
Just so y'all know, and it's made by
Milliliter.
Craftsman.
Craftsman.
This is a DeWalt Beast Mode Impact battery powered.
Dang.
I keep up with them babies.
Is that what holds the tire on?
Not really, it's just there for look.
Oh, okay.
But they're kind of in our way, so we're just going to go ahead and take them off.
Take them off. So we might not have to put them back.
Nah.
Gotcha.
It just depends if Will wants them there for look.
Okay, gotcha.
Because, I mean, look, it'll ride without it.
Yeah.
For a little ways.
Pretty wobbly now.
I mean, then it gets outside the tracks or your ruts.
Right.
And grab more. It actually will go better.
Might have more traction.
Yeah. It'll grab the wall of the rut, you know what I mean?
Right. When you're getting that deep stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know how we do it.
Alright. So we done one side. Try to figure out what we were doing. Now we're going to show y'all. We have this side in. We'll just drop the that's the stock mounting spot right here, if you can see. Alright, we're going to put the bracket in just like on this side. We'll show you as we put it in, but all we've done on this side is just drop your sway bar and your shock, upper shock mount, and now we're about to take and put in the brackets. We'll show you exactly how we did it.
There they are. That's what I was looking for.
What we got?
Those bolts.
Yeah, and
Basically, this little unit right here. I want this one sitting out. That's where the shot original bolt will go. And just by playing with it, we thought they both would go on the outside, but you can't, because come over here, you see you got this frame right here.
Yeah.
So this one will actually sit on the inside, and then the other one will sit here, and there's a spacer that goes in between them.
Got it.
So basically it goes up in here like this and like this.
I don't know who's pulling up.
Right there.
Not bad.
That's the front one, and the back will do the same way. You may not be able to see it as well. It's kind of tricky getting it in there, but I gotta get on the other side. Yep.
Alright, I'll get out of the way.
Pull the bolt back. A little more.
Wait, I was thinking it.
You missed the bracket. Can you pull the spacer bag in? Alright. That's it.
Casey! What you got, Sonic?
Alright.
Booyah.
What happened here? Got the bag one in and lost the front. Alright.
Boom, there it is. You got a spacer for the outer area and a spacer for the inside part of the bracket. And you just put your bolt through, put your lock nuts on, tighten her down, and that's it. Simple as that.
And take your
Then you just mount your suspension back in. You need the bolt. That does not look like 4 inches, but
It is.
we will see.
It's close, but it ain't.
Yeah, I guess it. We're gonna see. We're gonna do some true measurements. But looks like some good brackets. I mean, ain't much to a bracket lift, you know.
Torque this baby.
We're gonna tighten it all up. And hey, are we going back with a sway bar? Or
I was gonna try it without it.
try it without it? Yeah, we'll see. We'll try it out.
angle.
That's what you do.
But
The good news is we're gonna do soon we're gonna do a rear axle install.
yeah,
I'll
definitely.
probably shred these.
Yeah. This definitely, we know going into this.
5
Wait.
years old, 3,000 mile stock axles versus 4-inch bracket lift.
Yeah. So, I mean, these axles, these stock axles on this 15 Ranger have, you know, they've been doing great, obviously.
Front's already rebuilt.
Yeah.
Rhinos.
Yeah, we have brand new fronts. You probably saw in the video already. And we will try to break these. I mean, not try to break them, but when they break, we're ready to replace them.
We got it.
I hear something. I hear a dirt bike.
I was screaming down the road.
What is happening here? I hear a dirt bike. Who is this? Would this be the red? The red dragon is here. Look at this. Dylan and the red dragon. Heck yeah. Hey, you can bring it in.
I don't have a stand.
Oh,
So I don't lean it.
well, that's fine.
Like my new headlight.
I pick up slide.
Yes. Oh, that is bright. Very intense. How was the drive?
A little chilly. A little chilly.
Man, that bike is beautiful. Honda Power. Yeah, man, put it up against the old hard body there. Beautiful. We've almost got the rear of this thing done.
Let's slack off the tension in both.
I was gonna snoop, let everybody look. Yeah, she definitely clearing in the rear by a lot.
Yeah.
That's just with 30s. You got plenty of room to go bigger if you wanted,
I think you can do like 30.
but we're not trying to break everything.
I think it's gonna be like.
Now we're gonna jack up the front and knock this out. Dillion, as everybody likes to spell your name. What you drinking?
We'll see in here. This is a LC Powersports human fuel.
Human fuel.
Yes. 93 octane.
93 octane herbal tea.
Yes.
Some green tea with a little caffeine kick. Good stuff.
By yours truly, Jericho.
Yeah.
Be a good idea to put that back on.
You know, at this time that we're filming this, nobody has seen you or your ride yet. What we got? What's the front? What the front brackets? Are they look a lot like the rears, or is it pretty different?
They're different.
A little different.
It's basically only one way.
Only one way it works.
That's how it's gonna be, ain't it?
So we there's no instructions, but the guys that make these, they're just a phone call away. They said we could call them, and if we had any questions and whatnot. But I mean, it's pretty
They come in
pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, it's no.
right there.
You can figure it out just like we're figuring it out. Ain't that big of a deal, guys. I believe y'all can do it.
What's up? Come to pick up my new ride.
Heck yeah.
It's a 2019 Murray bike that we're gonna put on Powersports channel. So,
How many horses is it getting to the ground?
about 3.5.
3.5 horse?
Yeah.
But a lot of torque.
A lot of torque. It's got independent rear suspension.
I see. No, for real though, this is going to what?
This is going to Angel Tree.
Angel Tree.
Yeah, we're just
Going to one of the kids that the church is sponsoring.
church is sponsored.
That's great, man. I hope that boy has an awesome Christmas.
Yeah,
That's gonna be great.
Just trying to spread the Christmas spirit and help each other out. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Because that's what it's about.
Yep.
Spreading the love and showing them Jesus.
That's right, man. That's right. I hope that family's blessed, and everybody else is supporting others that don't have is an awesome thing, man.
Right.
Anytime we can help out, we want to do it.
That's right. And coming soon, the boys gonna go get a mysterious four-wheeler.
We're gonna
near
go on an adventure to find a new ride.
That's right.
All right, well, y'all stay tuned, subscribe, and you will see that coming up.
See.
Boom. Looks like we got one side done on the front, so just like the back. Yeah, major difference.
That's the top setup.
Here, let me turn this heater off. Boom. Okay, now we can hear. Yeah. That's a big difference. Major difference.
My foot for scale.
I don't know if the I don't know if the camera really does it justice, but when we pull the tape measure out in a second and compare to the stock setup, we'll definitely be able to tell. But supposedly, we should be getting 4 inches.
Oh yeah.
We will see. All right, now we'll show you how to do the front side now that we've done one side, and we'll get it done. All right, Aubrey.
See y'all.
Y'all be careful.
All right, we will.
Be careful with little man Spider-Man bike. Dude, that thing is sick.
Check it out. Check it out.
Oh yeah.
Both sides.
Throwing out the webs. Yes. Man, I hope that boy has an awesome Christmas.
Me too. There we go.
All right, man.
Wear a helmet.
That's right.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Safety first. All right, dude. Be careful.
Man, we'll see y'all.
Y'all be careful.
Yes, sir.
You on it?
All right, guys. So all you gotta do is the front side suspension, upper suspension mount. The bolt is kind of hard to get to.
You got that air?
The air ratchet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all want to try that?
Definitely want to try it.
All right, we're gonna get the old air ratchet out. Oh, we gotta turn this on. We gotta build some air pressure. We'll check back in. All right, to install the front side, you gotta, of course, just all you gotta do is take the tire off, remove your shock, upper shock mount, put your spacer in. I'm not able to show them very well.
There's actually a wire right here. You gotta make sure that's out of the way of the bracket.
The IndyCar special.
Just like the rear, you're gonna put your spacer in, your bar. Very simple, just like any other bracket lift.
Yeah.
You put your top side in those holes, and then you just mount up your other your shocks. Just like that. Just like that.
Boom.
Bolt it up. Bam. May, what's up?
But in the shop,
Say hello.
Hello.
Huh?
Just looking for my husband. He's not answering his phone.
Oh, your husband is neck deep right now.
Hello.
I would like to get the C-Fab arched A-arms, the red ones. That would look so hardcore. With some 31-inch BKTs, or I don't know, some 30-inch Zillas maybe. Would look real good. But that'll stretch it out, put some wheel spacers, some offset rims, widen its stance a little bit. I think it looks sweet. Love the Sportsman. Check out our other content to see them in action, as well as the Pioneers, and even catch the Red Dragon in action. And we will go. We also have a Tourex. We have several Sportsmans in the mix-up. If you haven't seen any of our videos, we also have a Renegade 1000. We do some comparison stuff with them. And we're gonna go to the motocross track soon and get some video of our boy ripping up that track. Our local track is Golden Pine Raceway in Prentice, Mississippi, out in the middle of nowhere, but it is an awesome track. Now you can't hear me. Air compressor's on. Look, y'all ain't got that tightened down yet.
Made in America. Polaris. I can't tell.
He's bowing up on it.
That's pretty tight.
What time is it, man?
9.
I think it's pretty tight too.
9 o'clock. Oh, it ain't focused too well. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock on Sunday night. Done been to church. Done ate a little bit of food, but it's about time to go get some more food.
What time is Wars close?
I got some food in there.
I really want a big one.
That's what I just asked. Either 9 or 10.
Sounds so good.
Yeah, on Sundays it's probably 9, probably. But look, I got some food in the house.
What we got in there?
I don't even know. My wife cooked something. Look, I need to wash my helmet. I still haven't washed it.
Oh my god.
That's terrible, dude. Is it going to be clean? Is it cleanable?
No.
Yeah, that'll come on.
It's
All right.
permanent.
Oh, my hand.
You can't fix it. Look. Hey, what's up? Got this mask on.
I know to stop when my elbow pops.
Yeah.
It means it's torque.
All right, let's put the tires on. Try the bucket out. Yeah. That's a 5-gallon bucket, and
Pour them exactly on the bed.
gave us 4. All right, so
35
all right, let's
to
show 'em.
39.
Let's show them. You were measuring on the bottom of the bed.
It was 35 before.
35 on the stock. Hold on, let's kind of get it squished back down. All right, it was 35 on the bed, and now it was exactly 4.
39. It was 35 and a half.
35 and a half right here.
Go, go, go.
39.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's that way. All right, but the real test, the ground clearance. Where'd we measure from?
We measured from the lowest.
The lowest point. There.
Got about 3.5 inches. About 18 and a half now. Was 15 before.
18 now.
18 and a half.
18 and a half. 18 and a half inches of ground clearance with a 4-inch bracket lift from, who was that from?
Reaves
Reaves
Powersports.
Powersports. Got that, you were able to hook up with them on eBay?
That's 2.5 on the A-arms.
2.5 on the A-arms
I
from
directly
Super
talked to them on
ATV.
Facebook. The Reaves people have a Facebook page. You can look them up and get anything you need. I got it in just a couple days.
Made the order and got it quick. We're sitting on some just barely wore Zillas. Not wore at all, really.
Mud
Not
lights.
Zillas, mud lights, I'm sorry.
30s.
30-inch mud lights. The stock suspension is compressed all the way, and the 4-inch bracket lift, 30-inch mud lights, and we now have 18 and a half inches of ground clearance, and it looks good. Looks good. Pretty easy to install. You can do it, no problem.
Probably an hour.
Yeah, take you about an hour if you're not goofing off like we are. But dude, looks good. Well, what you think? You like it?
Looks good. I don't know how it'll perform.
Yeah, I mean the only thing to worry about is the axles themselves. Of course, like we said, those are the original axles, and they're still hanging on.
They make those 30s look a little bitty.
Yeah. Still looks good though. It's proportioned well, I think.
Time for 32s.
Oh boy. Definitely gonna break them then. But anyhow, we'll test them out. We'll put them. We're gonna go to a park pretty soon, we hope, and try them out. And if we break an axle, we'll let you know. We're gonna replace them with Rhino axles to match the front. They're really good about getting your stuff to you pretty quick. We'll try them out, see if they hold up at that angle. We do understand that's a pretty rough angle. And if we want to soften up the ride a little bit, we'll drop the suspension compression just a little bit. And you might lose like 3/4 of an inch maybe, but it might soften up your ride some. But anyways, I guess that's going to do it for this video, this install. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to go get a little snack because I'm hungry. See ya.